Hi guys, and welcome to this episode of Fishy Angler. Today is a trout season opening day in northern Delaware, and most of the fishermen actually went there, I guess, but I tried to go once on opening day, and when I saw what's going on in there, I said no more. I'm never gonna go on an opening day again. So instead, I came to Brandywine Creek here. The shad should be running already, so that's pretty much main thing. I'm gonna try to see if the shad already up here and they're biting. I mean, they should be already. But I got another rod also. Maybe I cast crankbait or jerkbait or something like that to see. There's some nice smallmouth here too as well, and stripers. They made their way up here too. So I'll try and see, whatever bites, I'll try to catch. So stay tuned. Yeah, something just followed my jerkbait. I saw it. Something not that big, but I don't know. Shad doesn't bite. The water running high and faster than usual. So it's no go for shad. So I started casting the jerkbait to see if anything else will bite. And yeah, I just saw something follow it. Not big, probably like 15 inches or so. But yeah, something is in there. I guess I need to get back here when the water gets down and it's not going to be running as fast, and to see I can catch them, the shad, and stripers also here. And fish on, guys. There you go. Woo! Fish on. What is this, smallmouth? Oh yeah, that's a nice smallmouth. Look at that. Woo! Woo! Here you go. Alright, let me try to get him. Wow. He's fighting. That's a nice smallmouth. Whoa. If I can net it, yeah. There you go. Wow. Look at that guy. Very nice. There we go. There we go. Well, guys, look at this beauty. Wow. Look at this beauty. Oh, jeez, I didn't take anything to measure him. This is probably my PB. Wow, that's a nice big one. All right, and we'll let him go. And off he goes. All right, guys. Let's see if we can catch some more. So I cast it actually along the shore here, and he was staging somewhere here close to the shore, maybe behind that rock somewhere. Yeah. So that first time when I saw something follow it, it could be the same bass. So it looked the same size, kinda. Well, that's a nice one. Shad is not biting, but the smallmouth looks like this. Well, guys, that's all it was. One and done. I saw two other fish follow my lure, but they didn't take it. So the water is clear, but it's running higher than usual and the current is stronger. So I went half a mile up the creek and tried to fish. I haven't seen any bites except that one spot. So I'm gonna come here still when the water drops down because I want to catch that shad here. I mean, they are here. It's just the current too strong, I believe. So anyhow, if you like this video, hit thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video when the fish bites better.